Hello, world. I've uncovered a shocking phenomenon. There are typos on the internet. Don't worry, we're going to fix it together. So, let's say you're at a reputable news site somewhere like time.com, which, like pretty much the rest of the internet, seems to have abandoned the practice of proofreading. And you're reading. You come across 11 billion tons of ice. Wait, that's not right. Wouldn't you like to just be able to click on that and edit it? So if you're one of those people that sees an error like this and thinks, man, I gotta fix that, well, you're in luck. I've created an app for you. It's called gottafix.it. And the website's gottafix.it. What's more, if you use my app to fix this, it's public. Your edits are publicly visible, and you get points for it. Everybody wants points, right? You could probably, redeem them for something. Okay, so we're gonna fix this typo. First step is go to gottafix.it. You only have to do this the first time you edit something. And click on extend your browser. This is going to install a Google Chrome extension. The installation should be fast and painless. There we go, it's done. Okay, and you need to do a couple more things before you can actually edit this page. You need to log in using a social network of some kind. That's Facebook, Google, and GitHub. Let's do Facebook. That was real fast because I'm already associated. If you haven't associated your Facebook account, you'll need to say yes to a question about permissions. Then we need to refresh the page because we had the page open before we installed the browser extension. Okay, so now we got the extension installed. Page is refreshed. By default, the extension doesn't actually do anything until you click these checkboxes. All right, so now you can see this blue box around the paragraph means that it's been turned into an editable paragraph. And we're going to fix this typo. We don't want waits, we want ways. All right, just click outside of the box and you can see it's been fixed. What's more, the fix instantly shows up on gottafix.it and it's public. Now, if you made a mistake, you, never fear, can just delete that. Oh, after you sign into this page, of course. And anybody else who has the app can also see that you've edited this and see who it is. Now, you can vote up or vote down other people's fixes as well as your own. You get one vote per fix. So this allows the erroneous edits to be removed from the system. And it allows you to get a little bit of recognition if you're a real star volunteer. I do like to consider this volunteer editing rather than vigilante editing, but I suppose that's in the eye of the beholder. Now, there are a few other ways you can help out too, besides just editing websites. You can contribute to this project because it's an open source project. So if you click down here in the bottom right on the page where it says open source, you can go to my GitHub repository and see all the source code for everything. And I welcome pull requests on there if you've got anything that you think should change. Also, if you're not a coder but you want to suggest changes to gottafix.it, or if you find a bug, it's really helpful for me if you can go to that same page, click on issues, new issue, and just explain what feature you want me to add or what problem you encountered while you were using gottafix.it. And this app's really new at this point. I'm open to all kinds of suggestions. For example, I think the interface right now is not that great. I'm more of an web plumber than a web designer, and my friend Kyle recently told me that he thinks my websites look a bit like an error page. He said, "Wait, you can't publish that thing like that. Your users are going to think it's just an error page." So that's why I dressed this thing all up. And now that I look at it, I think it kind of looks like a lipstick advertisement for salmon. So if you've got ideas on a new color scheme, or I don't know, some way to make this look better than a lipstick ad for salmon, that's what you do. Click on open source and click on issues, and then tell me how you think I can help out. I mean, how I can change gottafix.it to better meet your needs or your aesthetic sense. All right, well, that's all for now. Remember, when life gives you foo, have a barbecue.